Hello, welcome readers and viewers. Thank you for joining in today, and I want to introduce to all of you to a very powerful author. Her name is Alisha Verma, and why she's powerful? Because she is multi-talented personality. The book is called Rising Superstar: Story of Young Leaders. Why we call it Young Leaders? Because all the kids like Alisha is going to rule the world tomorrow. We are going to create this world for them. So Alisha has written a very powerful story of her life. But before that, I want to talk about Alisha a little bit. Also, Alisha Verma, she's 10-year-old. She's in class 5th, right?
Yes.
Class 5th, grade 5th. She's known for her kindness, intelligence and charm. At the moment, she's studying at Indian International School, Dubai. She's been an avid reader, and her favorite book is Harry Potter.
Yes.
Yeah, she's a fan of Harry Potter. Her passion of writing was awarded as a UAE Chevron Readers Club. She also is a powerful personality because she also got award for piano and public speaking. She's a swimmer. She swims like fish, very fast, as well as she's into gymnastic, dancing and sports. I'm very happy because these children who is multi-talented, and most important thing, they love reading books, they love writing books, because once you say you write, you love to give back to society. So thank you, Alisha, for coming to Sharjah International Book Fair for your book launch. So thank you for joining in.
Thank you.
So Alisha, I want you to share what do you remember about your journey on reading books?
Well, I started reading books when I was 3 years old, and then I got into the passion. So I started borrowing books from others, and then my parents would purchase me a lot of books from this book fair. When we moved to Dubai, I got a start for Harry Potter, and then I was encouraged to take library memberships and read even more books. So my fondness and passion just grew, and I continued to read more.
Wonderful. So did you ever thought that you coming to Sharjah Book Fair for buy other authors' book, one day you will also be launching your book on the Sharjah Book Fair?
Yes, I thought that was going to happen because I had seen many ads and I was hoping I could join them too.
Wonderful. So before we talk about your story being a champion, I want you to share, other than writing books and reading books, what's your favorite hobby?
I like dancing and drawing a lot. I also have a passion for gymnastics.
So dancing and gymnastics. So if I ask you to share, why do you like dancing and gymnastics a lot? Have you ever thought of it?
I like dancing because it lets me to be free and just move my feet to the rhythm. And for gymnastics,
Wow.
It's a nice sport and allows.
So she says she feels free and she finds her rhythm. Don't you feel that the way she thinks about things is very powerful? Do you want to be free in your life? Do you want a lot of rhythm in your life? We all want. And if you really want to get inspiration from Alisha, I want you to go ahead on Amazon, buy this book called Rising Superstar: Story of Young Leaders, and read her story, because her story can inspire you. Yeah, now you're talking about gymnastic too. What do you like about gymnastic?
I like gymnastics because it allows me to be flexible, and when I found out I had a talent for it, I just wanted to show it.
Wow, flexibility. That's another thing we all are looking for, isn't it? And she is already chasing right things in her life, and I'm very happy. The future is in secure hands. So I want to talk about your journey on your UAE Chevron Readers Club. Can you share about what is this club competition, how this happens, and how did you win it? Little story about it.
So UAE Chevron Readers Club is a competition for schools across the UAE to participate in a reading challenge. First, to get selected for your school team, you have to pass 3 tests for which books are assigned. Then for the Chevron Readers Cup, first round preliminary, out of 100 schools, only 20 are selected, for which you have to answer questions with your selected teams. In the final round, you have to go to a place with a big stage and answer questions in front of a crowd.
Wow, and you could answer all of them?
I supported my teammates and helped them
as a team. Yes, wonderful. because they could, that's why they are winners, okay? And if I ask you a question is, if let's say someone want to be happy in life, what should they do?
Well, if they want to be happy in life, then they should follow their goals and do what makes them the most happiest.
Okay, so it's very simple, follow your goals and find out what makes you happy. Have you ever looked at what makes you happy? If not, then look at it, find it out. Now, I want to ask you, when you saw the book, I know we are releasing a book today and a few days back it delivered to your house and you opened the box. When you saw the book in your hand, how did you feel?
I felt really happy that I succeeded my goal to become an author.
And how did your parents feel when they saw the book?
My parents felt really proud of me and encouraged me to try more opportunities out like this.
Wonderful. And do you feel, did you share with your school friends that you have written a book?
Yes, I shared with all of my classmates and told them about the upcoming launch.
Okay, and how did they read? Your teachers or how your friends? Is any specific appreciation do you remember if what someone said?
I remember my classmate telling me that she was really proud of me and was sure to always support me.
Wow. She remembers that one of her classmates said that she was proud of her and she always supported. One last question from my side is, there are a lot of kids out there who love reading books. Do you want to inspire them to write their own book? If yes, any message for all of them so they should also write their journey?
Yes, I want to inspire all the kids out there to keep writing their own books and to achieve their goals so that they have a very successful life.
So if you really want to write a book, please write your book. And do you want to say thank you to anyone in your life, in your family, who supported you not only in the book writing, but also, you're happy because of them? Who are the people you want to thank?
I want to thank my parents and my friends who always supported me and encouraged me to try my best.
Wonderful. So thank you to parents, okay? So thank you very much, listeners. Do you see at the young age, at 10, she's in class 5, if she can write, publish her book, all of you can. She's your inspiration, not only for writing, not only for reading, not only for getting more flexibility in life, but be happy in life. So thank you very much, Alisha, for joining in, and a lot of people are waiting to get your author signed copy and they want to meet you because they are inspired. Thank you for joining in and see you soon again.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.